Hey you guys, welcome back to my Beauty or Royalty channel. Today I will be doing some medium regular size long braids. You can see I will be using my Eco Styling Gel, the olive oil collection. Now what I did notice about this video is that I did not have an end result, and I was a little disappointed in myself, but this was like one of the first YouTube videos I ever decided to make. So I was still kind of learning how to do this and still trying to learn how to set my camera up so I can get a really good clip of this video. Now, as you can see, I'm looking at the camera, trying to make sure it's recording, trying to make sure I'm doing exactly what I need to do. But this video was made in my old salon, and as you can see, like, I did not even have the right space to be doing a YouTube video because I felt like this salon was a little bit way smaller than the salon I'm in now. But as you can see, me and my client, we is vibing. We trying to figure out if she want a lot of blonde in the back or if she want blonde scattered all over. I really don't understand why my son keep walking back and forth in this video. Like, he looked just like his daddy, which is crazy, okay? I had to let him know that I'm recording, like, get out my video, because, like, what are you doing, bro? Like, what are you literally doing? But honestly, I haven't seen this client in quite some time now, and I wonder where she been at. So if y'all see her, tell her I'm looking for her and where she at, okay? And tell her to pull up to the new salon and come get her hair did, okay? Now, I'm not going to talk this whole video, but I am going to speed the video up so we can get a glimpse of what I did and how I did it. But mind y'all, this is the very first YouTube video I decided to record of my client hair. I will be having more videos coming out very soon of all of my hair videos of all of my clients. So y'all make sure to subscribe and like, comment, and share. And now I'm finna get out of here and let the music play so y'all can vibe with the video, okay? Guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you at the next video.